Yeah, welcome everyone. Welcome guys. Um in today's video, going to be a quick one because I want to unveil something to us very important, and it is seven best long-term cryptos. Now, in crypto, there are projects that are long-term projects, and I will be explaining to you why this project are long-term project and why you should invest in those projects. Now, when I talk about long-term project, I'm talking about project that will span 5 years, span 10 years before you can see profit like never before. I mean, massive profit, something of $10 turning into $3,000. That is what I'm talking about. Now, this kind of long-term project are project that you should focus on, not project that will give you rock bull, not project that will just rise today and tomorrow it is no more. No, I'm talking about projects that will last, project that you'll be taking your profit gradually and you are going to be stable in the financial market. Meanwhile, before I move to that, if you have not subscribed to this channel, take this opportunity, kindly do that. Subscribe to this channel, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video just as this video, so that you will not be left behind. Now, I always encourage people not just to subscribe, also to turn the notification bell by the right side of their YouTube, so that they will get a bell, a ring, when the video is uploaded. And again, share this video to family and friends. Let them know that there is a place where they can get information, updated information, quick information as regards crypto and forex. We're here to serve you, and the only thing we require of you is just a few things: the subscription, so that we'll know that people are following, people are being impacted with knowledge. Now, quickly, let's go over them. Now, the few coins which have tendencies of staying long in the market, you see, we have the Ethereum that will give you profit a long time. We have the Ethereum, we have the Solana, we have the Litecoin, we have the PEP, and we have other coins which you see they have what we have the Shiba also, which have the tendency of remaining strong in the market. Let me just go over a few of them, which is the Hydra. Let me start from the Ethereum. Sorry, the Ethereum. Now, Ethereum is currently priced at 4,375 US dollars, and it has lasted and show bullish resistance. And then with this, you can actually know that Ethereum very soon will move not from 4,000, it will move $5,000 million, because it's showing a very strong resistance. There is always influx. In fact, as of last week, Ethereum recorded one of the best transactions ever in 1 week. So there is actually inflow of daily transaction on Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum network is actually booming. Now we have the next one, which is the Hydra. Now the Hydra trade near $0.246 as we speak. It trade around that position, and this is actually an institutional utility coin. It is an institutional utility coin. Why? Because it is used by energy institutions to sharpen their technology. So this is actually a potential coin. You see, it's very small. The price is very low now, which is 0.2, not up to $1. You can take advantage of it. Can take advantage of Hydra. Now we have the Solana, which has its own blockchain, Solana blockchain. Now Solana has been moving. It has been moving, and Solana has been showing strong bullish move despite the declination in the market, and is actually a proof that Solana will stay for a long time. Apart from that, there are institutions, and then there are uh, um, there are projects that are using Solana, many heavy projects that are using Solana more than other blockchain. Now we have the lead coin or the Litecoin also. Now the Litecoin has been stable for a long time. If you notice, the Litecoin, the lead coin or the Litecoin has been moving just like Bitcoin. It has been moving, and many investors are coming, institutions are coming, making the coin to be stable in the market, providing liquidity, and then making it to be stable in the market. We also have the Shiba that make many to be billionaires. The Shiba also is actually a layer 2 project, but it has been showing stability in the market ever since. And we have the PEP, which have gained so much in the market. As we speak now, we have $600 transaction in PEP every day. $600, $200 million every day in PEP. So there is transactions going on up and down in this. Now, why these are few of the coins that we actually make growth in the market and will last long is because, number one, many investors are entering into swing trade. Why? Because they are using fundamental analysis. Now when you look at fundamental analysis, you tend to understand that the investors that are entering this position are looking at the fundamental analysis of this chart, of this trade, of this coin. Now from the fundamental analysis, they are able to look for a good setup for a buy, a bullish move, and then they buy the coin and hold the coin for a long time, keeping the coin for the future. Now you can imagine investors now keeping the coin for 20 years, and you, an individual, you're keeping for 10 years. You know that the coin will definitely move. Now if it is not moving as quick as it ought to, or it will definitely move slowly. Now we see that we have individuals that are going for a sharp swing, and we have investors that are going for a long swing. You understand? While you are going for a sharp swing, that's just a short swing, so that you can just make profit and leave the market. We have investors that are going for a long time, causing it to last long. That's the movement, the bullish move toward to last long. You see, and you see that these institutions and investors, individuals, are looking for a breakout potential, looking for a breakout potential. In fundamental analysis, there are many things that we look at. We look at the candlestick formations, we look at the breakout strategy, we look at the support and resistance strategy, which is the demand and supply. We also look at many other things, like the indicators. We look at them in order for us to analyze the market. Now with these few coins that I have mentioned, these coins are going to go for a long time. If you have money, you can actually get some and keep. You can actually get some and keep, because for a long time it will move and make profit. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have not subscribed, kindly do well to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Have a blessed day ahead of you. Bye.